everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Duet slash Collab not working properly. First of all, make sure to update your TikTok app to the latest version. Go to the App Store, search for TikTok, and then make sure you have updated your app to the latest version. After that, go ahead and restart the app by swipe it off from the bottom of your screen and then scroll it away. Then go ahead and click on the share option and check if the original video allows Duet or Collabs. If it is, then try it from a different device or account if it does not work over there. Safety tip: do not record or collab on content you don't own or have rights to. Quick fix: use TikTok web's versions to see if duets work there. Then return to the app, and that's it. Subscribe for more TikTok fixes and tutorials.